Hi, my name is Angus Ho with Daddy Debt, a part of the Ash Management Group. I want to show how you can budget as a full-time engineer, make real estate investments, and live an exceptional family life as a dad. So come along with me in this journey of wealth. Coming out of high school, there are so many reasons why to get a credit card, but there are also so many reasons why not to get a credit card. So what is the right answer? Well, let me give you the engineer's version. A credit score is so important in helping you achieve wealth, for that dream home, to travel the world, and to becoming financially independent, retiring early. I will also show you at the end of this video what my credit score is as of making this video, so keep on watching. I want to show you how your credit score is calculated and their weights. So 35% of your credit score is calculated based on your payment history. Have you been making your payments on time? Even if you are about to miss the credit card payment, make the minimum payment to keep your credit score healthy. Banks want to know if you are able to pay and how much risk it will be to lend to you. 30% of your credit score is based on the amounts owed. If you constantly borrow a high amount, then it might mean that you are spending too much or not making enough income. Of course, that one-in-a-lifetime big purchase won't affect your credit card score. However, if you pay minimum payment on the big purchase and you keep paying like that for 12 months, then credit card companies will definitely start to wonder, what is going on? 15% of your credit score is based on your credit history. Of course, the longer your credit history, the better. This way, the banks have a better understanding of your spending. It is important to get the credit card early. 15% of 900 score is 143 points that you can be missing out on, and it could be the difference between getting approved for a loan or not. 10% of your credit score is credit mix. Although it's not a large amount of your credit, a credit company may want to know if you have all credit cards or if you have a good mix of credit cards, retail accounts, and mortgages. 10% of your credit score is based on new credit. Do you ever hear about getting a hard hit on your account will affect your credit score? Well, this is a portion that comes into play. Every time you open a new credit account, it may seem like you are asking for more money, and to creditors, it may not look good. Many hard hits in a small time frame might not be a good idea. How do you achieve an 800 plus credit score? My first thing to do is to get a credit card right away. Your limit will most likely start off at $500 anyways, so it won't be that much credit. You can't get too out of control. That's a free 90 points right there for your credit score. Once you get into the groove of things with your credit card company will tell you about a limit increase. Yes, it's tempting to spend more, but the bank is also testing your ability to restrain. Let's say you keep putting $100 on your credit card and the credit card company offered you an increase from $500 to $3,000. If you can keep your spending on the credit card at $100, your usage ratio just went from 20% to 3%. That will help you get the 30% of the credit score that is based on amounts owed. This strategy will build your credit score quickly. The last and most important thing to do is to pay your credit card on time. If there is one thing to remember about credit cards, it is that the money you are spending is not yours. It's someone else's, so every dollar you spend on it must be returned. The credit you have is not a reward, but a privilege. Make sure you pay back what you owe. So, what is my credit score? Are you ready for it? According to creditkarma.ca, a free credit check website, I have a score of 882! You might ask, what can I get with that? Obviously, lenders are more willing to lend to me when it comes to buying a house. They are also willing to lower the interest rate because I'm less likely to default on payments. I'm able to get better credit cards with better rewards. But most importantly, look at the interest rate differences when financing a car. The interest rates can go up as high as 12% more if you had a worse credit score. That is a crazy amount of savings. Just keep the credit score up and don't compromise. Wait a bit longer if you are financing a car. Well, thanks for listening. That is Credit Cards 101, how to get that 800 plus credit score. If you like to hear more budgeting, engineering, or real estate tips, please leave a comment for what you want to hear. Smash that like button, subscribe button, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos every week on Sundays. From the Ash Management Group, this is Daddy Dad, saving you money.